In the last video, we looked at the library in Accordance. This video will cover how to organize that library. Please note, this video is for users of Accordance that own their own copy of the application. When you first open the library in Accordance, all your modules appear as a long list with no set order or organization. This can make it hard to locate the module that you want. Accordance allows you to organize your collection into folders however you decide. For instance, say you want to create a folder to hold all modules pertaining to the Septuagint. Right-click at the location where you want to add the folder and select Add Folder. Give the folder a name. You can then drag all the appropriate modules into this folder. You can even organize how the modules appear within the folder. For example, you may want to separate the English translations from the original Greek text. You can also add a divider between the two groups by right-clicking at the desired location and selecting Add Divider. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other Accordance videos for additional tips. And please reach out if you have any questions.